Introducing the next generation of strapping tools, the new Strapex STB83 and 85. Engineered in Switzerland, these tools deliver an effortless and streamlined solution to your strapping process. No matter the task, these machines deliver consistent results with minimal effort. The unique trigger release reduces operator fatigue, making it ideal for high-volume environments. The touchscreen provides quick adjustments to tension control, strapping material selection, favorite mode, welding time adjustment, strapping mode selection, advanced setting parameters. The Strapex has three main controls: the pressure-sensitive switch to set tension cycle. Weld button activates the seal and cut process in manual mode, and the release trigger to load and remove the strapping. Thanks to its ergonomic design and intelligence, the Strapex offers single-handed operation for fast-paced packaging lines and mobile applications. Whether you're in logistics, manufacturing or retail, upgrading to the Strapex STB will improve your packaging performance. Next level performance, next gen technology, only from Strapex, exclusive to Tigerpak.